In front of me is Redmi Note 15 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Start by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Additional Settings over here. Now click on One-Handed Mode and use this switcher to activate it if it's not already on. Then follow all of those instructions to use it. Swipe left or right from the center of the navigation panel. So when I do that, I can see that one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, you can swipe up or click on this area at the top. To disable one-handed mode completely, tap on the same switcher until it's gray. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!